Hello, my name is Colin Ferguson, and I'm excited to participate in this practicum course. Regarding my learning philosophy, well, the word philosophy can, for me anyway, be worrying. Throughout my educational career, teachers, instructors, and professors have filled my empty mind with theoretical, fuzzy knowledge that's been challenging to apply in the real world. I prefer science instead. I want to know my dependent variables and independent variables. I want to test, and retest. I enjoy reading peer reviewed research. Objectivity and relativity are central to my learning philosophy. Also, my philosophy regarding design isn't that much different. I mean, did you know that consumers reject 70% of the products designed by product designers? How can that be? Well, frankly, evidence shows that people tend to emotionally connect to what they develop before they begin testing and validating it. Rather than test, iterate, product designers, including learning designers, create things no one wants. What is something that I haven't shared with anyone in previous courses? Well, don't be surprised by this, but I'm a huge sports fan, and the Portland Timbers are in the MLS Cup. They won the Western Conference Championship, and they very well could be the first professional team in Portland to win a second championship. Go Timbers. All right, well, good luck to all of my co-students. I look forward to discussing the topics we will cover in this course. Thank you and have a great evening.